you should do as little as humanly possible to scale your business. And I mean it when I say this is not just clickbait. Like nowadays, you see so many people posting about, hustle and grinding 24/7 and no work-life balance and just sacrificing everything and all this stuff. And there's some validity to it in the sense of, yeah, you shouldn't be a degenerate. You shouldn't like drink alcohol all the time or do all this stupid stuff that will lead you to not getting any work done. There's some validity there. But the thing is, like, you don't have to work 24/7 to grow a business. Like you don't need to sacrifice everything and be a monk and just only work 24/7. In fact, like you can just grow your business with 3 to 4 intentional hours a day. This has been my experience. It's been more effective to do that rather than doing the grinding 24/7. When I started in 2019, I started my first coaching business. That's what I did. I did the grinding 24/7, and I actually made $0 profit for 16 months. But when I switched to this mode, I was able to scale the business to 100K a month. Very weird, very interesting. The thing is, like, time spent is irrelevant when it comes to results generated. Like, time and results are not related. All right, they're not. So let me explain, like, why is this and how does this work? So I used to have a to-do list of 10 to 15 things every single day. Like, there's no exaggeration. I could pull this up, like in my old journals and my old notes. I would see this just like a massive to-do list on all these random crap and things, like 10, 15 things like I would want to get done. Nowadays, I have 1 to 2 things a day I need to get done. 1 to 2. Usually it's one. Usually it's one thing. All right. So why is this more productive now, doing less things rather than doing more things? It comes down to strategy and prioritization. See, all strategy is prioritizing a certain thing over other things. Because in business, like if you face it, there's thousands of things you could do. You could fiddle with the website. You could make a new logo. You could spend a ton of time emailing people. You could do 10,000 different things. All right, strategy is all about how do you prioritize the one thing that will move the needle the most compared to everything else. All right, and this is arguably the most important skill set you could ever have, is like prioritizing that one thing. Because that's the difference. The difference is not going to be your time spent. It's not going to be putting in 12 hours a day. All right, unless you're actually like head to head with someone who actually has the same exact skill of prioritization as you and are working on the same thing. That would be the difference. But for most people, they just don't have that. Like 99% of businesses don't have that. So they're just working on the wrong things that don't move the needle. So like this is the difference. Like, because I can guarantee there's one thing in your business right now that would double your business if you do that one thing. All right. If you just crack a consistent lead gen system, if you can just consistently book 20 to 30 calls a month, for a lot of people, that would massively achieve your goals. For other people, they want to hit 100K a month or 200K a month. All right. It might be cracking a paid ads funnel, or it might be getting a closer on your team that can consistently close as good as you do, or at least close to where you do. All right. There's these one or two, like there's this one lever you could pull right now that would double your business. Like, you know this, and you probably know what it is. You probably know, I just need to fix lead gen. I just need a closer. I just need this. If you do that one thing, you'll double the business. And so here's the secret. Like, here's what you need to do. Cut out everything. Everything that isn't that one thing, cut it out. Eliminate it. Do not focus on it. All right. Everything else goes on maintenance mode besides this one thing. Like, just do this one thing. Focus on purely that over the course of the next 30 days. All right, I guarantee you will make significant progress, if not solve the thing in the next 30 days if you just do this. Like, cut everything out besides the one thing. That is focus. All right, think of this. Like, really think this down logically of what will happen. If you can spend 100% of your time, energy, and attention towards the one thing that actually matters the most versus spending just 10% of your energy towards that thing that matters the most. Like, what's going to win? Like, what's going to make the most impact? Obviously, 100%. And so just do this. It's hard and scary because it feels like you're putting all your chips in the table for the one thing. But like, you've already thought this out. You already know it. Like, it's very simple at times how to grow the business. You know, you need more leads. You know, you need to fix your sales conversion. You know, you need to fix your client retention, whatever it is. Like, whatever it is, the one biggest thing that's actually going to double the business. Like, you can recognize it quite easily. And so it's just a matter of focusing on it and fixing the problem and making it a reality. All right, ignore everything else and just do the one thing. All right, hope this video is a reminder to you to just do the one thing because it's all that matters. So Do this, ignore everything else, and just do the one thing.